Hello, my name is John Barker, and I am with WMC Business Services, LLC. The purpose of this short video presentation is to introduce Purchasing Power. Purchasing Power is a financial wellness program and the leading voluntary employee purchase program. Purchasing Power is a voluntary benefit program providing employees financial education and financial flexibility with a way to buy needed products and services through payroll deduction. Purchasing Power will help employers with a no-cost, no-liability, and no minimum participation benefit that supports recruitment, engagement, and ultimately retention and productivity to help lower your business costs. There is a problem. Consumers have limited ways to pay, there is a lack of education, and employers are not sure how to get involved. A Harris 2013 poll revealed more than 44% of working people do not have $2,000 or more for an emergency purchase. 31% of employees are unable to prepare for long-term financial needs, while another 50% wish they were more prepared. 28% of employees admit that personal finances are a distraction at work, with the average affected person experiencing financial presenteeism of more than 2 hours per week. 66% of employees do not qualify for prime credit. 31% of employees have trouble meeting monthly expenses. 49% of employees have been unable to make major purchases in the past year for items they need. 28% have borrowed from their 401ks to meet their immediate financial needs. 48% of employees carry balances on their credit cards. And 34% of employees struggle to pay the minimum payment on their credit cards. Even when an employee does everything right, unexpected things happen that can cause a strain on a family's budget. Traditional financing can fail employees, especially when employees don't have cash on hand and they have limited ways to pay for education, entertainment, emergencies, and life events. Subprime credit cards, payday, pawn, and title loans, bank overdraft fees, and in-store financing can be very expensive and offer little flexibility for your employees when a true need arises. Many employees turn to borrowing from their retirement savings. MetLife's 10th annual study of employee benefit trends, published in 2012, revealed that 60% of employees say that employee benefits offered are an important reason to remain with an employer. 61% of employees report they value voluntary benefits as a way to obtain benefits that meet their personal needs. 54% of employees are interested in having their employers provide a wider array of voluntary benefits that they can choose from and pay for on their own. Here are some misconceptions and why employers should look to be more involved in helping their employees with financial wellness. 49% of employers are somewhat likely to look for new jobs, with the majority of them citing financial concerns. 44% of employees worry about personal finances at work. Financial wellness is more than providing a 401k program. Many employees are borrowing from and leveraging their financial future to help get by in their financial situations of today. Employers think that their employees make enough or sometimes too much. This slide shows how many employees use credit cards to pay for monthly necessities. All income levels are impacted in today's economy. Employers have to find the right balance of what benefits to offer their employees. Meeting employee expectations and government regulations, all while meeting corporate goals, is a challenge. Purchasing Power is a cost-effective way to meet all of these objectives. Purchasing Power is part of a comprehensive financial wellness benefits package to go alongside your company's retirement program and other programs you have in place to help your employees with financial issues. Purchasing Power has online self-help resources, financial education for budgeting, intelligent use of credit, and how to save, as well as a financing alternative that can save employees money over traditional financing options. Purchasing Power offers employees financial flexibility that is less costly than subprime options, transparent transactions as the employee knows the price up front, they receive their purchases up front and pay it off in 1 year, automatic payroll deduction means manageable payments, credit reporting and monitoring powered by Quizzle, as well as complimentary education webinars and articles. Cash is the best way to buy, but when it is limited, Purchasing Power is the most affordable financing alternative for your employees and their families. The longer it takes to pay for an item, the total costs and the financial pressures it can cause increase sharply. The prices in Purchasing Power's most recent price comparison are running approximately 15% over retail. The pricing guarantee from Purchasing Power is that no product will ever exceed 30%, or they will pull it from the catalog or adjust the price. Purchasing Power currently has over 7,000 products and growing. Each month, Purchasing Power conducts a true apples-to-apples cash comparison, including the value-added products and services they bundle and shipping costs. Well-known retailers are used for this comparison, typically Best Buy, Sears, Macy's, Target, and Walmart. Their catalog includes computers and electronics, appliances, furniture and decor, learning solutions, outdoor fitness and family, vacation packages, and with more coming. In the learning section, Purchasing Power offers employees and their families access to SAT and ACT test preparation and tutoring, degree programs and college courses, certificates for healthcare, education, and business, high school diplomas, associate and bachelor degree programs, as well as tutoring programs for kindergarten through high school. The average cost of a U.S. vacation is $1,200. Employees who can't afford to take a vacation are 1 in 5. Employees can get the most out of their time off through Purchasing Power's vacation packages. It is an easy and affordable way to budget and pay for vacations through payroll deduction. Purchasing Power makes it as simple as possible for your employees. All employees who meet the eligibility requirements based on tenure and salary are automatically qualified. There is no credit check. When shopping on the Purchasing Power website, the employee will know the total price up front and how much will be deducted from each paycheck over a 12-month period in order to budget effectively and promote responsible spending. Purchasing Power provides service and support for your employees through their website and their experienced customer service staff. The purchase program for your employees will not be a good fit for everyone. The average participation is from 5 to 20% depending on the industry. 50% or more of the employees who participate choose to purchase again with Purchasing Power. The true benefit that can possibly impact every single employee in your company in some way is the access to financial tools and education that comes with Purchasing Power to help your employees take control of their financial futures. Every single employee in your company, no matter if they are full-time, part-time, seasonal, or even retired, can access the following. Credit reporting and monitoring through their partner Quizzle gives every employee and their family access to free tools and educational resources to make the world of credit more accessible. Complimentary educational financial wellness webinars on topics such as budgeting tips for the holidays, student loan debt, preventing loans from retirement plans, and more, as well as expert resources and articles for tips on money management, understanding credit, and how to plan your finances from industry expert Bill Cheeks. Bill Cheeks is president of ABBA Associates, a Georgia-based fiscal management consultant firm. He provides counseling and conducts seminars nationwide to help consumers map a successful life plan. He has helped many people reduce their debt, improve their credit, and learn how to budget. He will be sharing his personal finance advice through informative articles and online webinars. This program is easy for a company's HR department to administer. There is generally 6 to 8 hours of time necessary to do all the planning and setup for this program. On a monthly basis, the company then sends to Purchasing Power eligibility and remittance files. Purchasing Power then sends the company deduction files. Depending on a company's payroll system, this could add 1 to 2 hours per month for the company to administer this program. Purchasing Power then takes care of everything else. Purchasing Power then handles the communication of the program to employees from start to finish and covers all the costs. A variety of communication vehicles can be used, including a dedicated website, home mailers, email, the company intranet, benefit fairs, posters, newsletters and flyers, and again, all handled by Purchasing Power. From the Purchasing Power website, your employees will have a wealth of information, tools, and new options available to them. There is full disclosure so they can utilize the new resources correctly to benefit themselves and their family. Purchasing Power has been around for over 12 years helping with voluntary benefits. They have served over 6 million customers with over 250 companies in 16 industries. Some of their clients include Delta Airlines, AFGE, Advanced Auto Parts, Tyson, Valley Baptist, and Rite Aid. Purchasing Power has processed over 20 million payroll deductions and over $1 billion through payroll deduction. And they offer name brand products across 13 categories such as Sony, LG, Whirlpool, Apple, Samsung, Toshiba, Dell, Sharp, and many more. WMC Business Services LLC is a certified broker with purchasing power. We also specialize in cost containment programs for healthcare, health insurance, and workers' compensation. Purchasing Power is one of the programs we utilize for financial wellness. WMC Business Services LLC has other programs that provide a unique and comprehensive approach to controlling costs. The WMC Financial Wellness Program has additional programs to support the financial wellness and education for your employees and their families. The WMC Wellness and Prevention Network is an innovative approach to preventing future large claims for health insurance and workers' compensation that could save your company 15 to 30% or more. The WMC Healthy Living Program is a robust wellness program that offers products, training, education, and support to help employees and their families be healthier physically, emotionally, and financially. We combine two programs for a unique chronic condition and disease management program. We utilize WMC Discount Health for access to expanded treatment options as a powerful prevention tool for chronic conditions to lower costs. We then combine that with Second Opinion Health, which is a supercharged disease management program. For information about Purchasing Power and any of the other programs from WMC Business Services LLC, contact us by email at info@wmcbusinessservices.com or by telephone at 360-339-7801. You can also visit one of our websites to learn more about us at wmcbusinessservices.com or in California at wmciis.com, or visit the WMC Healthcare Marketplace at wmchealthcaremarket.com.